Somehow I still got you with me, telling me everything's gonna be just fine, building me up when it feels like I'm losing my grip. This shit can get overwhelming, but you're always right by my side. I wouldn't want it any other way. Got you with me, telling me everything's gonna be just fine, building me up when it feels like I'm losing my grip. This shit can get overwhelming, but you always right by my side. I wouldn't want it any other way.
I have some time, I'm gonna pull orders. Alexa, turn on the garage light. All right, so here's the shoe wall. What do we got? Well, a shoe wall. I have like 3 of these. What do we have? We have these Ultra Boosts, size 7. We have the Tokidokis, and then we have those Heelys. All right, the Heelys right here. Put those down. Heelys. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What size are you? You are size 9. These are size 7. And then Tokidokis are right here. All right, if anyone wants to buy a size 8.5, it's the left shoe only. All right, gotta get these packed up and going to the post office. I gotta take care of all this junk in the coping. Alright, let's see if this works. Check, done 2. Might be a little too much wind noise, but we'll see. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. Alright, you guys saw me pack a couple of things. So the orders that you saw were these Heelys. Sold them for $35 free shipping. Next is these Tokidoki Onitsuka Tigers. Picked up these Ultra Boosts. They were 15, sold for 70. And just sold something from my personal, these SB Polar Outdoor stuff. I think retail was around $85. And then what's sold right now are these Karhus, the Pavo Nurmis. They're going to Japan, so probably for the Olympics. They were also from the personal. They're going to Redondo Beach, so that's within the state. If you see any orders from Shop Airlines, that's going directly to Japan. Sold for $75. I should probably also talk about these Justin boots that got returned to me today. So I think I'll put up a picture and just kind of let you guys decide. The description was color not as described. Kind of weirded me out. All right, just gonna get some clips and B-roll and then I'll probably be out of here. This one's nice. Texture. Silicone.
Anything good?
No.
rug stuff probably. Oh, let's pick up the door I'm looking at. Why are rugs so expensive?
Let's look at these. Look at all these Mavic guys. This is the first digital camera that Sony put out. There's... Are these DC-15s or 17s? Here is a vintage Tamarack waist fanny pack camera bag. It had none of the padded inserts inside of it, but I did pay 99 cents for it. These vintage Tamarack bags are still popular even without the inserts. Nike Air Jordan 1s, family forever. These are a size 6 youth. Paid $3. Sperry topsiders. These were 75% off, so I paid $1.25. They have a little wear, but will still sell. Another pair of Jordan 1s. These are a toddler size. I paid $2.49. So the bag fetches around 80 to 120-ish. This is a DCR PC 100. I picked it up at the boutique right after I ended the stream. Goes for like 125-ish. We are gonna do this live. I was charging up a battery on this universal battery charger. It is now done. All right, pull this guy out. Ooh, it's kind of warm. Let's throw this guy on there. I hear some whizzing. Let's open this guy up. All right, it's hit PTR. Camera? Uh-oh. I can still hook this guy up to a power supply. And we'll see if that works. Oh, I have that camcorder. Okay, it has two sides. Let's see if they match up. And they do. Okay, I know this works. Okay. Does this go in? Oh, it fits. Okay, we're in business. All right, I guess I don't need. All right, plug that in. Oh, I heard beeps. Uh-oh. And it works. Sweet. Oh, and we got... Okay, looks like they're at the beach. It's puppies! I found these recently at the Thrift. Now, you can immediately tell that these aren't Red Octobers, but a really bad custom job of energies. Green tags were half off, so I paid $5 for these. On the Nike tag, you can see they used something like spray paint. They did use a sole protector. Here's the Horus. Here's the inside stitching. The insoles feel nice, like a leather should feel. Opposite side feels like any other insole. Here's the stitching on the insole. I do want to see if I can strip off this horrible paint job and get to the base layer. But I will leave you guys with some sole protector peeling offage.
Somehow I still got you with me.
Thank you so much for watching. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel.
Building me up when it feels like I'm losing my grip. This shit can get overwhelming, but you're always right by my side. I wouldn't want it any other way. Got you with me. Telling me everything's gonna be just fine. Building me up when it feels like I'm losing my grip. This shit can get overwhelming, but you always right by my side.